Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Mark and I have a cool drawing today for Halloween. It's gonna be of a black cat. This is a pretty easy drawing, so if you wanna grab yourself a sheet of paper, pencil, some pens and markers, and we can begin. I'm gonna create a small oval shape closer to the top of my page. And this is gonna be the cat's head. So we're gonna do a sideways egg shape. And then inside of the egg shape, we'll do two eyes, and we'll do these eyes pretty big. So we'll do a circle on the left, and then I'll try to draw the same size circle on the right. Then just to the left of this eye here, I'll draw this little shape like that. And on this side, I'll draw and curve it up on the other side. Inside of the eye, we'll do a long, straight down. It's gonna kind of curve. This will be the pupil. So it's gonna come down and kind of point. So it'll be almost like a long V shape. And we'll do that on the other eye as well. And then just in the middle, we'll go down and we'll just create this little curve. And then this will be like a V shape down below. That'll be the nose. And since the cat's all black, we're not going to really see any mouth right now. So this will be more like a silhouette drawing. Then over to the left, we can create one ear. This will be like a pointy ear, like that. And then inside of this, we can create a line like this, and then maybe a curved line like that. And we can do the same on the other side. Just point this over to the right. And then we'll do another inner shape like this, and connect. All right, then we can go down and draw the neck. So from the center of my head, I'm gonna go to the left. I'm just gonna curve this line slightly to the left. And then on the right side of the center, we're gonna come down towards the right a little bit, and then we're gonna curve like this. Now for the back, I'll just have a little bend in my shape right here. And for the back of the cat, we're gonna come out and we're gonna go beyond the edge of the head over here, all right? So we're gonna come like this, and then we're gonna come down somewhere about here. And then from this curve, what we wanna do is, if you wanna draw a continuation shape, we can come up, and then this will come up and then curve like that. So I'm just going to draw that very lightly like this. Okay. Now the next thing I want to do is from the right side up here, we're going to come inside just a little bit. And then we're gonna come down, almost like a slow curvature, slow curve like that. And if our bottom of our body is right here, if this is the ground, we wanna make sure like this paw is close to that ground shape. So we're gonna come like that. And then we're gonna do the inside of the leg here. So towards the base, we're gonna draw the thickness of the lower part of the leg. So we're gonna come pretty close. It's gonna be pretty narrow. And then as you get to about, let's say this is about less than halfway from here to here, then you can curve this line up like that just a little bit. Then you'll get another line from here. So this will be the front of the leg. We'll do the other front of the front leg like this. Now, I'm gonna draw the paw shapes. So if this is the lower part of the ground, this is gonna come up like this. We're gonna come up and bend like that. And then on this side, since this is the front, I'm gonna come just down below, and we're gonna go below the ground line. So we're gonna come and round this, and this will be curved. And then this thickness right here, we want to do the same on this side. So we're going to go and curve this that way. Now these are going to be at a slight angle. So if you had a slight angle like that, this section here will start sculpting upwards right about here. So we're going to come up and then up into the body. Then right here, continue this down. And then we're going to have the back leg. Now the back leg's going to be bent and curved here. So we're going to curve this leg like this. And then it's going to come down and it's going to curve up into this foot right here. And you can just go right through that if you want. And this will go, and I might actually just elongate my cat just a little bit more like this. Now I'm going to draw the tail in place. So right from here, I'm going to do a little bump and we're going to come up like this, and this tail is going to curl and it's going to be kind of wide over here, and then we'll just follow that tail all the way down. And as we get closer to the base, to the lowest section, it's going to just get just ever so slightly wider right here, like that. And then we'll add a few whiskers. So I'm going to go right where my eye is. I'm going to do a whisker up, and then I'm going to do a second one, and then a third one. And then I'll do the same on the other side. So I'll come over from here and I'll do 1, 2, and 3. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my ink pen, but I'm only going to outline a few shapes because the rest of this drawing is going to be in a black ink marker. So let's just go ahead and ink in the inner parts of our cat. All right, now with those inked in, I'll go and use my eraser and carefully just erase those shapes that I outlined with the ink pen right there. You can brush that away. Now, if yours didn't turn out like this, it's okay. I actually have a coloring page downloadable link in the description below. So go click on that, download a copy of this coloring page, and you can have some fun coloring this in with me. Well, I knew you could do it. I think yours turned out awesome and amazing. I hope you like my drawing as well. If you do, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I do videos every weekday and I don't want you to miss any single one of them. All right, until the next one, I'll see you then. Have a good one. Bye-bye.